Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a SASSA grant beneficiary or you support someone who is, this video is for you. Today we are breaking down all the confirmed SASSA payment dates for February 2026, plus important tips to help you get your money without stress. Let's get right into it. SASSA has released the official payment schedule for February 2026. Here's how the grants will be paid. Older person's grant will be on Tuesday, February 3, 2026. Disability grant will be on Wednesday, February 4, 2026. Children's grants and all other grants, Thursday, February 5, 2026. These dates apply to all main SASSA grants, including old age, disability, child support, foster care, and others. SASSA spreads payments across multiple days to reduce crowds at pay points and ATMs. The Social Relief of Distress, SRD, grant, the R350 payment, doesn't have a fixed payment date like the other grants. Payments are typically processed late in the month, often between February 24th and early March, depending on verification and banking details. Tip: if you're an SRD beneficiary, go online and check your status on the official SASSA SRD portal to see your exact payment date. Here are some important things to remember so your payment goes smoothly. You don't need to rush on the first day. Funds stay in your account until you withdraw them. If a payment date falls on a weekend or public holiday, SASSA moves it to the next business day. Check that your banking details are up to date. Incorrect information can delay your money. If you don't see your payment within 2 to 3 business days after the official date, contact SASSA or visit your nearest office. Frequently asked questions. Do I need to go to the pay point on the exact date? No, once SASSA releases the funds, they stay available in your account. What if I change banks or accounts? You'll need to update your details with SASSA before the 19th of the month to avoid delays. That's your SASSA payment update for February 2026. If this helped you, please like, thumbs up and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a SASSA update. Drop a comment if you have questions about your payment. We'll help however we can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.